So, good evening, friends. I was just talking about in the series of competitive English and basic English. We are every day we are trying to enhance our ability of expression by discussing certain rules, regulation, and by also discussing certain interpretation and ability. See, the excellence in spoken English and written English is basically a matter of practice and interpretation. The more you are conversant with the people, the more you are, frequent in using the English language in day-to-day life, the more frequent you will be, the better will be your fluency. In order to enhance your fluency in English language, you have to keep in mind there's a practice every day certain new things and enhance and add to your ability of expression by using certain words and phrases. I'm using certain words and phrases. That means the nouns followed by prepositions, so that you can enhance your spoken English by using these words. Sometimes you use these words but no knowingly or unknowingly commit mistake. Like the noun is apology. Apology means regret. Apology is always followed by for. Apology for some misconduct. Suppose if a child has committed mistake in the class, or if you have committed anything wrong to your friend or your relative, you must express your apology for your misconduct to that person. So apology to a person for your misconduct. So we must express our apology to the person for our misconduct. Second word is ambition for. Everybody has some ambition and or other. Every one of us has some or other ambition for excelling in life. Somebody has an ambition for doing something adventurous. Someone has ambition for excelling in studies. Someone has ambition for excelling in the field of work that he is associated with. So ambition for, allusion to, mention another person in that. He was in allusion to speak something and he spoke something else. Ability in. Every one of us has some ability in doing something. Like every student, every child has an ability in studies, ability in performance, ability in performing something. Every technocrat has an ability in creating certain thing new, in innovating certain new ideas. Every technocrat has an ability in doing something extraordinary. Every human being has an ability in using his talents, prosperously. Now, acquaintance with, being familiar to. Sometimes we are not having any acquaintance with the guests that come to us in our house, sometimes, or in anybody's house. If there are people that are sitting there, maybe a couple of them are unknown to us, so we'll say that, well, we are not having any acquaintance with those person. We don't know, we are not familiar with those people, we are not having any acquaintance with the subject matter. We say that, the thing that has been spoken, we don't have any acquaintance with acquaintance with that matter that has been spoken. And now access to, approach to. We don't have any access to any political leader in this city. We don't have any access to any political person in this city. We don't have any access to a highly skilled, technocrat here. We don't have any access to any particular leader in this city. We don't have any approach to that person. Abundance of. This place has an abundance of steel, as it is known as steel city. Abstinence from, refrain from. Many people have an abstinence from alcoholism. Many people don't want to take alcohol, so they will say they abstain from taking alcohol or drugs. So we can say that many of us have abstinence from alcoholism, abstinence from drug addiction, abstinence from taking anything wrong like drug and any alcohol and anything like. So we must develop abstinence from alcoholism. हम लोग को अल्कोहल लेने से परहेज करना चाहिए. We must develop abstinence from alcoholism. Accomplish with, a person is, having some achievement. Like many of the writers have an accomplished with their great writing. They are always known for their great writing. Amend for, change, modify. We must amend for our behavior which does not suit the people, because we should always behave in accordance with the rules and regulation of the society. If a behavior is not acceptable to society, we must amend for that, we must change for that. Affinity with, if intimacy with, we must show affinity with some of our friends and relatives, because they expect affinity from us. appetite for. Gene appetite is always having, relation with food, appetite for food. There are many foodaholics. There are many people who are hungry of eating. They have appetite for eating all the time. They eat everything and anything, that they are called foodaholic. A foodaholic is a person who is always hungry of eating, and therefore we can say that a foodaholic has an appetite for eating everything and anything. Apprehension of, pre-knowledge about something. We had the apprehension of the danger that struck us while we were going to Goa. We had an apprehension of the bad climate, that the bad climate that was impending upon us, the fog and mist that was bound to happen. So this is what we call, uses of prepositions and words. Why I have been using them in such a frequent way? Because when you want to enhance your ability of speech, when you want to, add to your proficiency of language, you need to have certain prepositions followed by certain words, and you must communicate fluently with the use of these words. Then only you will be a good speaker. I hope so. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.